Hello everyone, this is Jeff Jones. I'll be the spokesman for the streammachines.com as well as the boxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look again. We're going to continue to look at the new Formuler Z11 Pro MAX. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to pin your favorite groups using My TV Online 3. So let's take Hey guys, I am back, and as promised, I'll keep this video as short as possible. But in the meantime, I just want to thank everyone for as you've been tuning in to just take a look at something that's a little bit exciting for us streamers, for we streamers, I should say. I don't know if it's we or us. Either way, it's just exciting to get a really great device and to learn a lot about it. Speaking of learning more about it or discovering, one of the things that My TV Online 3, which is exclusive to the Z11 Pros and the Z11 Pro Max, which you're seeing today. My TV Online 3 is not an application that you can install like TV Mate or like iMPlayer or anything like that. It is exclusive to the Formuler boxes, especially those two that I mentioned before. One of the things it allows you to do is to pin your favorite groups. So we're going to show you how to do that really fast, and it's super easy, but it just takes a little bit. Where I've already gone into My TV Online 3. Let me go back here. As you can see, I pressed it and I came back. So when you go into My TV Online 3, it's going to take you to the location that you're in. I'm going to press the menu button, and I'm going to go down here to Content Manager. Press that. Then I'm going to go over to Manage Groups. Press that. And now you have your TV groups, you have your VOD groups and TV series. I have no VOD on here. I have no TV series on here. I do have some TV groups that I really like. So once you highlight that, you're going to see show and hide groups, but then you can pin the groups. As you can see, I have my favorites pinned to the top. They are absolutely pinned to the tops. These are the groups that I like the most. So if I were to go over to sports, you would see over to the right what's in that group. If I go over the locals, you'll see what's to the right that's in that group. When I go to news, you'll see what's to the right in that group. This gives you the ability to pin up so it shows a little bit different on your homepage or on your viewer page. And you would be able to see your favorite groups in that order. So as you go back up and we go back to right, you can go back to the left again. And then you can go, there's a good thing about this, is managing your favorites. So you have the option to pin your favorite groups or to create favorites. Now I've already created a list that I like, the list of channels, and that's Leonard's list. And this way, when I get with Leonard or I feel like a Leonard, I'll just, click on my unit and go to my favorite list. I don't have to search for anything on the unit. And as a consumer, that's just a good thing to have. And they made it very easy for you to add different things. So you can have different lists. On my other devices, my daughter has her favorite list who shares with my other daughter. So they all have their list of entertainment channels that they like. And that way whoever's using that unit at the time can just log in and get whatever they need. And that's some of the benefits of that across the top, okay? So if I press this again and press the menu button, you'll see some different things. Another thing you'll notice that this unit will give you notifications of some things that may occur. So right here, you'll see if new content has arrived, there's software update available. That was this morning. So I love the fact that the unit will let you know that if some new content arrives. It'll also let me know that I had a software update, which I was able to do this morning to keep my unit running very good. That's a new and improved thing in the Formuler's or I should say My TV Online 3, and this Z11 Pro Max or Pro that you can get. So notifications are a big thing. Another thing you can always do, which we'll talk about, are the recordings, which I did a short video about. You also have a radio feature, which is really, really awesome. We'll take a look at that, but that is how you would do it and look at everything. So when anything comes up, if I press the menu button, if I press the OK button and push to the left, you will see on the left-hand side, I have my list, but then I have my pinned groups that I really like. So you'll see all my pinned groups from here on up all the way down. So it gives you a lot of flexibility on this unit. And I think it's one of the really improved features from their My TV Online 2, which is still very stable and still very good. But I like the fact that it seems like they've made it exclusive to this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, but that's really it. The pin group function on the new Z11, the Formuler Z11 Pros or Pro Maxes, what you're seeing right now or viewing right now, is pretty awesome. I really like the fact that it's there, and I like the fact that it's available to you. So it gives you a little bit more, I shouldn't say a little bit more, it puts personalization at the top of the list for you guys. So these units are available through exclusive resellers. From what I've heard, there's only 6 or 7 resellers that Formuler has released these units to. And I happen to be connected with one. That's why I'm able to resell these units. And thank you to everyone that took a chance on purchasing it. I've heard nothing but great comments, and everyone loves it because, again, these boxes come absolutely empty. All right, so you're going to have to find the entertainment. Now, we don't host or provide that entertainment. We can refer some services to you that as consumers we may use, but we don't host anything or create anything. We sell the units mainly so you can use it how you want, and that is your legal right. As a consumer, 100% of streaming falls on the consumer, not the person that sells you the unit or even a service. The consumer sets it up. The consumer chooses legally to do those things. So legally, everything falls back onto the consumer. With that said, I do have a couple of other videos. Well, one in the hopper. We're going to take a look at the difference between the Formuler GTV and this new Formuler Z11 Pro Max to see how they run side by side. In the meantime, we have a couple of more days before the end of the year. I mean, maybe you got your Christmas shopping done, or maybe you want to trade in a device. We are taking trades as long as that device that you're trying to trade in will work. And maybe you're interested in this Formuler device. And so what you can do is text us at the number below, or you could give us a direct call. We are open from 9 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so you can call Monday through Friday. We do not work Sundays at all. We don't take calls on Sundays at all. So with that said, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in seeing more or trading in what you currently have, give us a call at the toll-free number. Text us. One of our team members would be happy to show you what we're all about.